The lock nut is one of two flanges that secure the grinding wheels to your grinder. It has a 5/8 inch threaded hole so it can be secured to the grinder's spindle. One side has a 7/8 inch hub for attaching standard grinding wheels to the grinder. The other side is flat and can be used to secure thin cutting discs or diamond wheels. The hub on the lock nut can wear over time, causing the grinding wheel to wobble. Replacing the lock nut is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the grinding wheel. I lock the spindle with the spindle lock button, and then use the wrench to remove the lock nut. When you're working with the thinner wheels, if you install the lock nut with the hub against the hub on the inner flange, it'll create a gap between the two flanges and it won't secure the wheel. If you turn it over to the flat side, the two flanges come tightly together so you can secure those thinner wheels. Because I'm installing a thicker grinding wheel, I'll install the lock nut so the hub is towards the gearbox. I'll lock the spindle with the spindle lock and secure the nut with the wrench. And that's how easy it is to install a new lock nut on your grinder.